Double-hung windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Eagle thanks to their classic style, versatility, and ease of use. However, while they offer many benefits, certain design and planning mistakes can limit their performance and impact. Understanding what to avoid can help you make the most of your investment and ensure your windows enhance both comfort and curb appeal. One of the most common mistakes is choosing the wrong size or proportions. Windows that are too small can make a room feel dark and closed in, while oversized windows may overwhelm the space or look out of place on your home's exterior. In Eagle homes, where natural light and scenic views are often appreciated, it's important to select window sizes that balance functionality with aesthetics. Proper measurements and thoughtful design ensure your windows complement your home rather than detract from it. Another frequent issue is overlooking energy efficiency. Not all double-hung windows are created equal, and selecting a basic model without considering insulation or glass technology can lead to higher energy costs. In Eagle's changing climate, energy-efficient features like double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings are essential. These options help regulate indoor temperatures and improve overall comfort, making them well worth the investment. Ignoring frame material is another mistake that can affect long-term performance. Some homeowners focus only on appearance and overlook how materials will hold up over time. Choosing the right frame, whether vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, ensures durability and reduces maintenance. In Eagle, where weather conditions can vary, selecting a material that resists warping, cracking, and moisture damage is especially important. Poor placement is another design oversight. Double-hung windows are highly versatile, but placing them in the wrong areas can limit their effectiveness. For example, installing them in locations where maximum ventilation isn't needed, or where another window style might perform better, can reduce their overall benefit. Thoughtful placement allows you to take full advantage of their ability to provide airflow and natural light. Another mistake homeowners make is neglecting ventilation planning. While double-hung windows allow both the top and bottom sashes to open, not considering how air will flow through your home can limit their effectiveness. To maximize ventilation, windows should be positioned to encourage cross breezes. This is especially helpful in Eagle, where natural airflow can improve comfort during milder seasons. Choosing the wrong grille or grid pattern can also impact your home's appearance. While grids can add character and charm, selecting a style that doesn't match your home's architecture can create a mismatched look. For example, overly decorative grids on a modern home or minimal designs on a traditional home can feel out of place. Matching grille patterns to your home's style ensures a cohesive and polished exterior. Another common mistake is overlooking maintenance needs. While double-hung windows are generally easy to care for, certain materials and finishes require more upkeep than others. Homeowners who choose high-maintenance options without considering their lifestyle may find themselves dealing with more work than expected. Opting for low-maintenance materials can save time and effort while still delivering great results. Improper installation planning is another issue that can lead to long-term problems. Even the best designed window won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and poor sealing can result in drafts, moisture issues, and reduced energy efficiency. Working with experienced professionals ensures your windows are installed properly and perform as intended. Failing to consider exterior and interior harmony is another design mistake. Windows should complement both the inside and outside of your home. Choosing a style or finish that works well on the exterior but clashes with your interior decor can disrupt the overall flow of your space. Taking a holistic approach to design helps create a seamless look throughout your home. Lastly, some homeowners underestimate the importance of long-term value. Choosing the cheapest option up front may save money initially, but it can lead to higher costs over time due to repairs, replacements, or energy inefficiency. Investing in high-quality double-hung windows ensures better performance, durability, and overall satisfaction. For homeowners in Eagle, Avoiding these common double-hung window design mistakes can make a significant difference. With the right choices, you can enjoy windows that enhance your home's beauty, improve comfort, and provide lasting value for years to come.